Welcome. My name is Thomas, back again with another video. This summer, I'm starting my mentorship program for individuals who wants to start their own income tax preparation services, and that's people who either have no prior training or experience, who wants to have someone on their team who can help them get started because they're unsure of what steps to take, even though you can Google or go to YouTube and get the necessary uh, information to start your journey. You're not sure what to do first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. You don't have the confidence in yourself to do it by yourself. You don't make the mistakes that we all will make by having a business, let alone a business in this industry of tax preparation and taxation and dealing with other people's money. You don't want to make those type of mistakes, and you want leadership, training, support, step-by-step guidance, and someone who can remove all the guesswork is the key to investing in mentorship. So I'm offering a 16-week mentorship followed by 14 months of ongoing guidance and support. So as a bonus, you get additional 14 months to work with me with a one-time investment with the 16-week program that's designed to be interactive, was designed to help you become creative and resourceful and to be able to learn how to maneuver through having your own full-fledged income tax preparation business for yourself. From A to Z, I'm going to help you on the front end and the back end build out your business that's personalized to you. And that's important. Uh, to be able to help you get started really quick, to help you to make money really fast is what mentorship is really all about. To have to go figure this out, to have to go guess, especially if you're already unsure of yourself, you don't know what direction to go in, you don't have the confidence to do it by yourself, and you know you're looking for mentorship, training, and support and guidance every step of the way, then this program was designed with you in mind. My goal is to position you inside your business to make money really fast, to get your business set up really quick, and to create a blueprint personalized to you and your mission and your vision for your business and where you want to take it to based on what that's going to look like for you. And even though you might not be clear about all those things, as we keep working together, those things will come to you. As we keep working together, those things will manifest themselves more clearly to you, and you can customize a blueprint that's designed for your business to make it. And so when it comes to the success you want to have, it's really all about having someone that has experience, who has insight, who has training and support and know how to help you build a multiple six-figure business for yourself and help you get the training and support and leadership that you need where you can come out the gate more stronger and more efficient than a person that's trying to do it alone. And even though that person that's trying to do it alone might be confident in their ability to make it happen, they don't know what they don't know. And so the beauty of mentorship is to help remove all the guesswork to you getting started. It's all about giving you actions that you can take inside your journey that's based on real world experiences and not book theory. When it comes to learning this skill set of tax preparation, individual 1040 tax returns, a lot of that you learn, you won't get good at it until you actually do it. And even though you're going to get training and practice problems and all those different things to prepare you for the journey, it won't really kick in and make sense until you work with real people because real people are going to show you that what you learned. It's going to be able to show you how you need to apply that to the person that you're working with. And so the insight that I have, the training I have, the experience I have of being in this industry for 23 years is what I give you inside the mentorship program. And so right now, this program, initially, the investment is $1,595. I'm doing a special for the month of July where it's $995 one-time payment to get started. The number one thing as a new person you need to focus on is learning, 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 and more learning. That's your primary job at this point as an inspiring entrepreneur and business owner is to get knowledgeable and skillful and tax preparation skills that's going to allow you to go out and be able to answer basic tax questions, going to be able to go out and do tax returns for clients of all shapes and sizes. And the way you get to do that is by working with someone that's experienced enough to where when you start to get your first client, even though you might not have no prior training or experience with it, you do have someone on your team who can help walk you through that. And that way, it's a lot of clients that you may be able to go get that you don't have to turn away because you have someone on your team who's going to help you facilitate get that tax return done accurately and professionally based on their individual situations. So I'm here to help you streamline your success. I'm here to help you get from A to B, B to C, C to D strategically without you blowing yourself up, without you making all these critical mistakes, without you spending all this money on stuff that I will never have you invest money in because you're not qualified to make those investments yet. You're not at that point to make those investments yet. And you want to get to the point where you're making money, you're learning, you're growing, you're getting better, you're becoming more knowledgeable. And with the education part of this mentorship that you're going to get in real time, you're going to be able to decide a year from now what path you want to go down. 2 years from now, what path you want to go down. 3 years from now, what path you want to go down. 5 years from now, what path you want to go down. So that's going to constantly grow and develop for you as you get more clear and more clarity on what you want to do inside your business and how you want that to look, say 5 years from now. 5 years from now, you might decide, hey, I'm ready to start learning how to prepare business returns, which are 1065 partnerships, 1120s, corps, 1120s, S corps. There are other type of returns that you can learn how to do, but we won't talk about those because those are returns that's past your pay grade at this point. You want to get the foundation laid first. The foundation laid first is 1040 individual tax preparation returns that you're going to embark on with people that's right there in your face, who live in your area, who stay in your neighborhoods, who live in your cities. Those are the clients you're going to start with first. You're going to become knowledgeable with those clients first. And as time go on, you'll decide for yourself when you're ready to move on to the next chapter inside of your business as far as knowledge and skills. You get to decide what that's going to look like for you and when you're ready to make it happen. Certain individuals who go getters, who gonna get all in from day one, who gonna take everything I tell you to do and suggest you do at face value and make it happen. Those are the ones who gonna win. Those are the ones who gonna hit their financial goals or definitely get close to them because they're gonna do the work to make it happen. I'm here to help you not sabotage your success. I'm here to help you grow faster, grow quicker, more efficient than what you can ever do by yourself, being brand new to this awesome career industry of income tax preparation. My goal is to position myself as a trusted advisor and a valuable resource to you to help you take your business to places you never thought your business could go. And that's the beauty and the power of mentorship. So if you're already looking for mentorship and guidance and training and support and leadership, and you want to fast track your success with getting started, take advantage of this opportunity with this 16-week mentorship program that's designed to be interactive, designed to help you set up your business, designed to help you start learning and growing. And the bonus you get is an additional 14 months of ongoing guidance and support with me. Reach out to me now, 773-675-9823, or you can info@workwthomas.com. Let's talk, let's chat. Let me answer all your questions and concerns about this awesome career industry of getting started. Every person that ever worked with me all had questions and concerns. My goal is to answer those with confidence. My goal is to give you the information you need to get so you can realistically ask yourself, is this the career industry and business model you want to make happen for yourself? And if it is, and you're ready to invest in you and bet on you by investing in this mentorship program, I want to hear from you today. I want to hear from you this week. I want to hear from you this month. Take advantage of this opportunity because the learning curve to having a business is going to be different for everybody. The only problem is, and the only challenge is, you don't know what that learning curve looks like until you take action, until you get started, until you start to consume the information that's all about you learning the knowledge and skills needed to prepare individual 1040 tax returns. And once you decide what that learning curve look like for you, then you get to see and determine how fast you want to take that. The quicker you get started, the better. Leverage this time left in this year to get started so you can position yourself in January 25 to have the confidence and the knowledge and the infrastructure and everything else needed to prepare individual income taxes and to onboard clients so you can make the type of impact and income you want to make for you and your family. If you're sick and tired of being sick and tired of the money you're making, you want to be able to position yourself with knowledge and skills that you can either leverage to get a job with, or you can leverage to be your own boss with, or do both. The choice is yours. It's up to you. The sky's the limit on what you can make happen with the right leadership, the right training, the right support, the right mentorship and guidance. I'm here to help provide it to you. What I charge for this 15-week program might seem a lot to you, but based on what you're going to get out of it and based on what you're going to be able to do with it and based on the results you're going to be able to make happen from it, it's really a drop in the bucket on the return you're going to get on your money. The return you're going to get on your investment is going to be tenfold. So to invest $1,595 and be able to make $25,000 in your first year, and that's just example. I've made $40,000 in 3 months, $5,000 in a day. My results are not typical, implied, or guaranteed. I tell you that just let you know it's possible. I tell you that to let you know if you do everything that's required of you to make the success you want to have happen, you can get there as well. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.